How to delete Fishdom account. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming for Beginners. Today I am going to guide you how to delete Fishdom account. Deleting Fishdom account is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Fishdom app. Launch the Fishdom game on your mobile device. Go to settings. Tap on the gear icon usually located in the top right corner of the main screen. Access account setting. Look for an option like account setting or profile. This is where account management features are located. Delete account option. Scroll down and find the delete account option. Tap on it. The game will warn you about the consequences of deleting your account. Example, losing progress, coin and decorations. Confirm deletion. Follow the on-screen prompt to confirm your decision. You may be asked to re-enter your player ID or account details for verification. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can delete Fishdom account. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.